Fly family, we're back with another video. And today we will be doing a challenge.
Challenge called
Egg Within an Egg. So the way you play the game is, as you can see, we have a variety of things in front of us, ranging from sour candy to sweet candy. We also have hot tamales, pistachios, Peeps, and then we have the craisins. Some of the things KK has had before and I may not have had, or maybe things that I've had but KK has not had. So, as you also see, we have these 4 large eggs in front of us.
We have yellow, blue, pink, and green.
Yeah. So this is where the egg within an egg comes into play, because there are actually eggs within each egg. So we're going to play rock, paper, scissors to see who will go first to pick an egg.
Mm-hmm.
And let's get into it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So I have scissors and KK has paper. So I'm going to pick blue. All right, so I'm going to open up my egg. And I have 2 eggs within an egg. So I hear it shaking, and I think I know what it is. And I bet it's a Peep. And I do not like Peeps. I don't really care for marshmallows at all.
I do.
It's a Peep, guys. So I have to eat this entire Peep. Peep.
She had to eat Peep.
Ew.
You have to.
Ew.
Ew. Hurry up. So you won't have to eat it then.
Ew.
Just don't think about it and stuff.
Ew. This one is.
Wait.
I think I know what that is.
Mom.
All right, so I'm gonna open up my next egg, and it is a mustache. Yes, so I have to wear this mustache, guys, throughout the entire video.
Yes, guys, yes. The whole time video. Oh, time. Put it on.
All right, moving on. Hey. Now we have 3 eggs remaining. Also, guys, we both have to each have had two eggs each. So I've had my first egg, so KK still has to have one, and then we'll both equal out to have 2 per person. So KK's gonna pick her egg now.
If you touch something, you have to get. You have to.
Yep. Oh, let me hear him close it. You probably saw that, didn't you?
Yeah.
KK's eggs within eggs.
Ew! Ew! I don't like these. I have to eat all these.
I'm gonna take some away. You have to eat all of those. So KK has craisins.
I hate this.
Come on. I'll take away one and let you just eat those
That's
2.
good. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. This is disgusting.
Eat it quickly. Just put them all in your mouth.
What? Yeah.
And she is down to her last two. Just put both in your mouth. All at once. Go, Kaylin, go, Kaylin, go. Go, Kaylin, go, Kaylin, go. Go, Kaylin, go, Kaylin, go. Go, Kaylin, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, finish. And she is done.
Help.
Now she's moving on to her second egg within an egg. And she has...
Oh, no.
She,
I'm not eating that.
she has hot tamales, guys. Hot tamales.
Ew.
You only have to eat one. But you can do it.
Oh, tongue. Wait, it's stuck. Like too much teeth. Not that bad. It keeps. Get up there.
Is it on fire?
My tongue. Oh! Oh! Ha! Ha!
Yes, make sure you have to clean the drink when you're eating anything hot, whether it's candy or food. And she is almost done. She is chewing it.
Almost done.
Good job. So KK is complete.
I hated that.
So, do you want to go ahead and pick the next egg, or do you want me to just go? Okay.
I'm picking this one.
You want? Okay. So, do you want me to eat mine next, or do you want to go next?
You.
Okay. So I'm gonna go next, and this is going to be the final egg within an egg.
I think I'm gonna have that one.
Oh man, I hope this is not pistachio.
Oh, I think it is. Oh, it is.
Oh my gosh, guys! I have pistachios.
Let me smell it. You try it.
You wanna try one with me?
No. Well, it tastes good.
Ew! Look at how it
Let me
looks.
see. Let me see.
Oh, it looks weird. I mean, it's not that bad, but I personally probably wouldn't
You like it?
purchase them.
You like it?
Go ahead and try it. I guess I'll finish mine. My second one.
Mmm.
KK must like it.
That's good. That's good.
All right.
That's good.
Moving on to my final egg, and I have.
Wait, what is that?
I think this is the. Okay, this is the all-star mix.
That means I get.
Right here, guys.
What? Let me see. Let me see. That means I get. That means I get my gummies. I get my gummies. I get this, and I get this. Yummy in my tummy. And open. I got this. Look, guys. Look. It's a Ninja Turtle magic towel. Oh yeah. Let's open this. Yay, cubes. Yay. Oh, yay.
Now she's finishing her final egg, and it has the dinosaur gummies in them. KK's gonna join me in wearing a mustache. Right here, guys. She has mustaches. She has options. Let's see which one she's gonna pick.
I know. I'll kind of be it.
You want the last one? Now KK is about to put on her mustache.
Kind of looks like a rose.
There we go. Let's
No. Oh. Guys.
Smile. No smile. Smile. No smile.
Well, guys, that wraps up our Egg
Within the Egg challenge. We hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And until next time,
peace.
peace. And we're signing out.